Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious sauce, Ugba sauce. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to like this video, leave your comment for me, help me to share the video, and don't forget to like this video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting further time, let's dive into the video.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you dare.
And here are all my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, you don't really need much to prepare this sauce, okay? And it's still going to come out absolutely delicious. So here is the start of the ingredients. This is my Oba. This is what Oba looks like. And here is my smoked mackerel fish. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? And here I have my chopped onions. You can go in as much or as little onions as you want, but the more onions the more sweeter. So here is my crayfish. Yes, you need crayfish for this sauce. And in here I have the yellow pepper, onions, also grated onions into this, and the red pepper. I also added tatashi to this. Okay, I didn't add bawa, just tatashi, but the tatashi in there is optional. If you don't want, just leave it. So now we are going to heat up some palm oil. You need palm oil for this sauce, okay, and not vegetable oil. Palm oil is the best oil to use for this sauce. So I'm just going to heat up my palm oil now. Once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in my onions. So I'm going to be frying these onions for about 2 minutes, okay? Once our onions is fried, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. I'm going to stir this now. I will cover the pot and allow this to fry, okay? So I'm going to let this fry until everything is well fried. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please like this video if you have not liked the video, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, okay? And also help me to share the video if at this point you have not shared this video. Once the pepper mix is fried, I'll be adding in the crayfish and my smoked mackerel fish. I will also go in with my Oba now. And then I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. I'm using the ordinary Maggi cube. I'm going to cover this now and I will allow this to fry or rather cook for few more minutes. Guys, it was my village New Yam festival, so I decided to celebrate the New Yam festival in my own way with some Ugba sauce. Okay, so this is the sauce we are known for, Ugba sauce. So I decided to make this sauce to celebrate the New Yam festival. And this is it, so easy, so yummy, so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this recipe, and you can also enjoy this with your roasted plantain, with your boiled yam, boiled plantain. This sauce is so delicious, like you can never go wrong with this sauce. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. Okay, don't forget to share this video, guys. So I'll be enjoying this sauce with my roasted yam. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this sauce with. I'll be enjoying mine with my roasted yam. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until I come here when it's time, guys, please stay safe. Bye.